In the city of South Euclid, some of the buildings are from 1955 and some of the buildings are from 1977. The buildings were in major disrepair.
We had long overdue capital improvements and maintenance programs. We can no longer put Band-Aids on these type of things. They need to be addressed before major damage was done to those three buildings.
The building's getting all new windows, all new facade, all new bricks, and these are all things that needed to be done and had been deferred for years.
It was very important that we fix this, not only for our employees, but for the residents that live here, and also for the residents and the businesses that we wanted to attract to this community.
No more Band-Aids, no more fingers in the dike. We were going to take care of it.
This project is allowing us to do these comprehensive upgrades that we otherwise would have had no way to be able to do.
And we knew that under the different layers, there were problems. But we really didn't know the extent of them. And having this partnership with Leopardo was very open and honest with us.
The city of South Euclid was very similar to most local governments when we first meet with them. They had more capital needs than they had capital available to address those needs, which is not uncommon with most local governments that we work with. So what we did was we came in and evaluated their operations, looked at how they were spending their money. We identified a way to reduce their costs to where we could redirect those savings to make these infrastructure improvements. We financed 100% of the project, and the savings paid for the debt service on an annual basis.
Another aspect of this project was the partnership. The partnership of using the local trade network of unions. All of the work was done locally. The money to pay the project and the resources was recycled within the community and network of our environment. We support unions here. We're a union city.
The main goal is to achieve greater efficiencies in a time when budgets are really strained.
It's not just one thing when it comes to the opportunity we had with Leopardo. Number one, it was open and transparent. Because so often we're told you can only be in this size box. You can't expand the box, you can't do this, you can't do that. But working with Leopardo, we were able to add certain things that we didn't think we could in the beginning, and we came out with a better project. I also think that working with the building trades, people who are trained with skills, saved us money. We really had no way to fix it. So having this opportunity was the best thing we could do because these buildings will be good for another 40 years.